To select the multiple photos at once in Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to select the multiple photos at once on Google Photos. Now to select the multiple photos at once in Google Photos, you just need to open Google Photos on the device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now there is no specific button or icon to select all the Google Photos at once, but the thing which you can do is that you just need to long press on the photo and you just need to select all the photos like this manually, or you may simply click on the option of the date which is included above of the photo. So if you click on the option of date above of the photo, then you will be able to select all the photos that date or day at once. So you may simply select the day like this and you will be able to select all the photos or multiple photos at once on Google Photos. And the next thing which you can do is that you may simply long press the photo and you may also drag it like this if you want to select it in a very easy way. So that's it. That's how you can select the multiple photos on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.